Today we're replacing the gear shifter knob on a 2013 Ford Fusion. This also fits model years 13 through 16. When looking at the shifter knob itself, there's two little tabs that the shifter boot will actually click into, so you want to go ahead and work those loose and then push the shifter boot down. We put the car into S just to have more room to get the number 2 Phillips screwdriver in here. Pretty quick and easy to get the screws out. Definitely do not try to pull the handle out, because there is a white connector that needs to be disassembled and disconnected underneath all the plastic trim here. You want to go ahead and get your plastic trim tools. These will definitely save you a lot of scratches and dings on your interior versus using like a flat blade screwdriver. We started with removing the black outermost trim piece, then the park, reverse, and so on, gear shift indicator. And then finally there's a white piece here which actually has the illumination for the gear shift indicator letters. So definitely be careful with this. Just take your time, finesse all this apart. There are definitely clips that you will break if you're aggressive with it. But once you get this up, my friend's in the passenger seat here, and he is working on getting the actual white connector disconnected. Very important that you get that disconnected. And then probably the hardest part of this whole thing is getting that white connector reconnected while finagling and holding everything up out of the way. But once you do that, everything just kind of pops back into place. The white trim piece clicks back into place, the gear shifter indicator clicks back into place, and so on and so forth here. As you put the final few pieces of trim in, make sure you put the black bezel in last. If you try to put the black bezel in first and then this bottom silver trim piece, it will not fit and you end up pulling that back out. From here you want to go ahead and put the shifter back into S so that you can reach the Phillips head screws, and go ahead and install them and tighten them down. And then take the gear shifter boot and go ahead and slide it up until it clicks into place. One final thing you want to do is start the car, and with the parking brake on, go ahead and run through all the gears, including going into S, so that you can use the upshift and downshift button. Congratulations, you're done. And overall this took us about 10 or 15 minutes to complete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.